Hello guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the brush size in Photoshop. There are three ways we can use to adjust the brush size, and I will explain you all the three ways one by one. We will use the keyboard shortcut keys, left and right bracket key. So when we use the left bracket key, the brush size will be decrease, and when we use the right bracket key, the brush size will increase. And to decrease the brush size, I will press the left bracket key. And in addition, when I want to increase the hardness of my brush, I will use the shift and bracket keys. When I press the shift and right bracket key, the hardness will increase. And when I press and hold the shift key and press the left bracket key, the hardness will decrease. Okay, I will press Ctrl and Alt Z key to undo my changes. And now I'm talking about the method number 2, which is pretty simple. Just click the right mouse click anywhere on the screen, and a pop-up menu will appear on the screen where I can adjust both the size and the hardness of my brush. Let's say I want to increase the size of my brush, then I will slide this slider to increase the brush size, and yes. And to increase the hardness, again I will press the right mouse click and I will increase the hardness with this slider option. Now I will press Ctrl Alt and Z key on the keyboard to undo my changes. Now I want to tell you the final and the best way to adjust the brush size and hardness. Press and hold the Alt key on the keyboard and right click anywhere on the screen and drag left to right to increase or decrease the size. When I will drag to the right, the size will increase, and when I will drag to the left, the brush size will decrease. Okay, if I want to increase the hardness of the brush, then I will press and hold the Alt key and I will press the right mouse key, and when I will drag to the upside, then the hardness will decrease, and when I will slide the right mouse key to the down, the hardness will increase. And the Mac users can use the Option and Control key. When we want to increase the size of brush, we can drag the mouse from left to right, and to increase the hardness or decrease the hardness, we can drag the mouse key from up and down. Okay guys, these were the three methods which we can use to adjust the brush size and the hardness. I hope you like this video. Thank you.